Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sapna Master IELTS. As the screen is in front of you, I have the cue card जो कि new पूछा गया है. I have already given this list in my previous videos. अगर आपने नहीं देखी हैं तो 18 new cue cards मैंने बताए थे which are asked to the students also for May to August, and one of them here is describe a time when you did a lengthy calculation without using a calculator. So what is that time? इसका मैं simple explanation I'm going to provide you with 7 bands vocabulary. Hope you like it, and if you like it, please press the like button, hit the like button, and those who have come here for the first time, subscribe जरूर करें. Now, what was the time? When was it? Where was it? How did you like it? And how did you feel about it? So you need to use phrases, you need to use the colloquial terms to score 7+ bands. And here I have come up with an idea. There's no denying in this conviction that calculations jo hai, those are the integral, inseparable, indispensable part of our lives. And we thrive primarily on them to plan and organize our work. Moreover, we bloom principally on calculators and computers because we use this in modern eon. We use all these words like this. Okay. So we use the calculators and computers. However, on many instances, many occasions, we need to calculate, we need to figure out something without using the gadgets or the gizmos or the devices. And recently, I had such an instance. Now, this is your introduction because you cannot just simply start with the topic. You have to give one introduction. And in this case, 30 seconds are already gone. So you have less time to explain about the cue card, right? So first do the introduction. After that, we'll move to the next part. I have already marked the important words here also. You can see that. Last month I had I got a chance to remote village में जाना था father के साथ agricultural land लेना था dispute हुआ dimensions को लेके so you need to recalculate that and unfortunately you left your mobile phones in the car and it was challenging to go back to pick up the mobile, and that is why you use the pen and paper and a pencil so that you can calculate all the things. So you made a blueprint, and after that with a measuring tape measure the whole area, and there were numerous corners there. 3 hours to draw and manually calculated the whole area, right? You also utilized whatever you have done in mensuration in your school days, and after working hard for means it was really toilsome word use kar sakte hain. You can also use you felt it was an uphill task for you, तो आप ये words use कीजिए यहाँ पे. Then you can say कि it was a mind-boggling experience for you because you even wanted to leave it in between, but your hard work paid off because the calculation was accurate. There are few follow-up questions also जो आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं, and here are those. How often do you make calculations? What instruments do you make, and which are used, and do you know anyone who makes fast and accurate calculations or not? Right? So these are some cue cards which you can do. These are some follow-up questions which you can do. I hope you understood the answer. Read it carefully, prepare it carefully. आप थोड़ा सा इसको change कर सकते हैं, but make sure the vocab is perfect, it is appropriate. And we'll see you in my next video with another cue card also. The response and the students जिसको जो भी चाहिए क्यू कार्ड का आंसर चाहिए out of new cue cards, they can write in the comment section. I'll be preparing that for you. All the best, guys. See you soon. Take care.